Welcome back, Tiny Explorers. Today, Bunny, Fox, and Squirrel are on a special mission to help Santa get ready for Christmas.
Ho ho ho, hello friends. I need your help to finish the toys, decorate the sleigh, and pack the presents. Will you lend a paw?
Yes, Santa.
Task 1. Finish the toys with paint, ribbons, and bows.
I'll paint the toys bright colors.
I'll add ribbons and bows.
And I'll pack the toys neatly.
Can you help us count the toys as we finish them? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hooray!
Task 2. Make Santa's sleigh sparkle and shine.
I'll hang the garlands along the sides.
I'll string the lights to make it twinkle.
And I'll add jingle bells for the reindeer.
Can you clap along to help us make the sleigh jingle? Clap, clap, clap. Task 3. Organize the gifts by size and color.
Big red gifts go here.
Green ones go in this pile.
Small gifts go here.
Can you name the colors with us? Red, green, blue. Amazing work, Tiny Explorers! Thanks to Bunny, Fox, and Squirrel, Santa is ready for his journey.
Ho ho ho. Thank you, my little helpers. You've made this the best Christmas ever.
Happy holidays, Tiny Explorers!
Explorers!
Great job, Tiny Explorers! Thanks for helping Santa's animal helpers!